Good day, everyone. Learn how to increase the font size in any Android phone. So, when you click anywhere you want the bigger or smaller font size, you can increase or decrease it in any Android phone. So, to do that, we need to go to the settings and look for anything which says display, or the easiest way to do that is by clicking on the search icon. It may be on the top or the bottom. In Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, it is in the bottom. So once you click on the search, just type font, and under display you will find font size and style. We will click on that. And here we have a lot of options. If we scroll down, we get a lot of options, and under font and style, you have this option. You will get the preview. See, I'm making it bigger and bigger, and you can do it according to your convenience. And once you're done, you can simply come back and the screen size will be increased or decreased. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.